Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the expression 5 divided 5 divided 10 divided 10. This looks simple, right? But still, what people make mistake, they do 5 divided by 5 as 1 and 10 divided by 10 as 1 and 1 divided by 1 as 1, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, you heard it right, because they take an incorrect approach. When you have given same operation like here division repeating itself, then always solve it from left to right. Yes, don't skip this step left to right. I mention you again. If you take this approach, you will always reach a right answer. So left to right is 5 divided by 5, then divided by 10 divided by 10. 5 divided by 5 is 1, divided by 10 divided by 10. Now there are two different things, that is 1 by 10 divided by 10 and 1 by 10 multiplied by 10. In this case, the answer is 1. But in this case, the answer is 1 by 10. Put the multiplication sign and do the reciprocal. It's 1 by 100. So 1 by 10 divided by 10 is 1 by 100. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 100, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.